Welcome to SREB's Teacher Compensation Dashboard. We have compiled data on teacher salaries, health and retirement benefits, and take-home pay to generate insights to guide policy and research for the modernization and sustainability of the region's teacher workforce. From the Home tab, click on a state for a comprehensive state profile of all 4 categories of information. For more information on teacher salaries, click the Salary tab at the top. Hover over states for a peek into the data, or select your preferred state. This allows you to learn more about minimum teacher salaries and average teacher salary data from 2014 to 2023. Need more info? Click the light bulb, adjust the year view, and click Compare Salaries at the top to compare state to state or regional to national averages. On the Health Benefits tab, hover over the state to reveal a summary of available health insurance plans and premiums. Click on a state to see a list of state-offered plans from 2020 to 2024. The Retirement tab provides an overview of each state's retirement plans. Hover or click on a state to learn more about each retirement plan offered. You can see defined benefit and defined contribution plans available from 2019 to 2023. Finally, the take-home pay section combines all data for salaries, health insurance, and retirement, as well as tax calculations to project average net pay for teachers with 1, 15, and 35 years of experience. Click on a state to also compare it to others. Below this dashboard, a second dashboard shows data from 48 non-representative sample districts across the region. 1 rural, suburban, and urban district is highlighted from each state. It similarly visualizes teacher salary, teacher health, and retirement benefits, as well as teacher net take-home pay in the districts. It also calculates spending power, analyzes average net pay against local economic data, and is sourced from the Council for Community and Economic Research. To view the raw data for your own research, scroll down to the bottom of the web page to find our footnotes and sources for each tab in both dashboards. Above these accordions, you'll see a green Excel file icon where you can download the data. Thank you for visiting, and please reach out to SREB with questions or insights.